We all know by now, if we don't learn to manage our day-to-day stress, it's going to take its toll. It rises our cortisol levels, which affects our thyroid. It impedes the function of our testosterone and estrogen, because all your blood is being diverted to your brain, your heart, your working skeletal muscles, and away from your sexual organs. That's why a lot of people have sexual dysfunction. It happens to women a lot, because they can't compartmentalize, generally, as well as men can. They're concerned about the well-being of everybody else, especially their loved ones, and they forget about themselves. Meanwhile, they got all this baggage piling up until they finally hit a meltdown. This is, of course, a general rule. There are many women out there who can compartmentalize very effectively, and there's some men who are prone to meltdowns. I don't have no meltdowns. If you're constantly stressed, your cortisol's up. That causes your DHEA to go down. Your DHEA is another hormone produced by your adrenal gland. It helps your sexual function, helps your athletic performance, helps you not age as rapidly, and helps with osteoporosis. Now you're getting too sciencey. If your cortisol cycle is functioning properly, it's at its highest in the morning when you wake up. And a good way to spike it is get some exercise in the morning, a run. I've talked about high-intensity interval training, or just a walk. Gradually, as the day goes by, the cortisol levels drop until at the end of the day, in the evening, it's low, where it should be. If it's high, which is the case for many people because they have poor lifestyle habits, poor diet, smoking, drinking, they carry their stress into the night, they can't wind down, and when that's the case, you're not producing your melatonin efficiently at night, and you need that hormone to sleep soundly.